What is depreciation? So what the government does is the government allows us in our businesses to say, hey, this printer, we're going to let you depreciate that off over 36 months. And what they're trying to do is if you could depreciate all that stuff off every single year, then you wouldn't be paying taxes at the end of the year because everything you spent would be a write-off. You write it all off. And then at the end of the year, you really made no money, so you pay no taxes. The government don't want you to be able to do that. So they throw it in on the larger expenses so that you have to do a capital expenditure, depreciate it over a period of time. And when you depreciate over a period of time, they may lose a little bit of money year over year over year that they don't get in tax revenue, but they still get your tax revenue. So what is a capital expenditure? If you're going in and you're replacing your air conditioner at your house, and expenses going in and just repairing that air conditioner at your house. So everything has a life, think a life expectancy of an air conditioner around 10 years, 12 years. After that period of time, they say, okay, it's no longer useful. You can throw it away, put a brand new one in it. Now you depreciate the cost of that out over the next 10 years or 12 years, whatever that is. Let's say you replaced a roof on your house. Okay, that's a large expenditure. The government doesn't want you to take a $20,000 roof, write it off in 1 year, now you didn't pay any taxes. So the government says, okay, we're gonna let you write that off over 20 years or 15 years, whatever it is. So you get to take whatever that number is, divide it by 15 or 20, whatever the amount of years is, and that's gonna tell you how much money you write off of your taxes at the end of each year.